Today, I'm going to tell you about this very effective belly fat burner salad that you typically have during dinner. For this, I'm going to have 1 cup of onions nicely chopped and I'm going to add it on. To this, I'm going to add some shredded cabbage, typically about 100 grams of it. Similarly, I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes, some boiled peanuts to provide us with a good source of protein. We will follow this up with some cucumbers chopped. We'll add some steamed or boiled baby corn. On top of this, we're going to again have some boiled sprouts, some mangoes, which is raw, some broccoli again, which is boiled. We will then top this up with some paneer, which is chopped nicely. This is typically 100 grams of paneer and we're going to add it here. We then boil some carrots and then add it chopped. We top it up with some salt. We'll add some pepper powder to this. We'll top it up with some chaat masala. To this, we can add some chili flakes, which is optional. We'll top it up with some sesame seeds, some cumin powder for good digestion, few drops of olive oil to bind everything, some lemon juice for some tangy taste, and some honey to top up with. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and we're good to go. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.